Welcome back to my channel, guys. If you are new, hello, my name is BlancaEstela. And if you're not, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be unbagging my IPSY, what month are we on? August bag. I do have some other products on my face today, so I'm going to tell you guys what that is after I talk about the product. And yeah, and I'm wearing my Astro World t-shirt, Travis Scott. He's the best. Don't at me if you don't like him. I was only supposed to get 5 items, and they actually gave me 2 extra items this month. I don't know if it did that to everyone. Yeah, I got like 7 items. One of them is a double, and another one I didn't even see I was gonna get it. So I do know what I was gonna get this month, but yeah, so I was kind of surprised. And yeah, so first I'm gonna pull up my IPSY just so I can read to you guys like I always do. And I did film this tutorial. I will upload it on Friday. So yeah, it's gonna be the third week. It's gonna be the third video of the week, so keep out for that. I really like how it came out. So yeah. Okay, so first, this is what the bag looks like. It's a simple bag. I mean, I don't hate it, but I don't love it either. It's okay. Okay, so I'm gonna start off and pull out what was inside like that packaging and not inside the bag, just because it didn't fit in the bag. So the first thing I'm gonna show you guys, and I do have this on my face right now. It's a highlighter by Ciate London. This is their Glow 2 highlighter, and I got the shade Moon Dust. So this is what the highlighter looks like. Well, the packaging. And I'm going to pull it out. This is what the actual highlighter looks like. You guys, it is such a pretty highlighter. Can you guys see my highlight? I'm wearing it right now, actually. It is so blinding. I didn't have to layer it. I only went in with it. It is a little dusty, but I did go in only once with my fan brush. I don't like using my fan brush because I feel like it doesn't pick up enough product. But it picked up a lot of product. And girl, look at my highlight. I'm blinding. So yeah, this is what the actual highlighter looks like. It is really pretty. I thought it wasn't gonna look good on me because it is kind of pink. But girl, look at that. So pretty. And it is a really, really creamy. Like, oh, I'm gonna put some more. Girl, we're gonna be blinding. I do recommend this to you guys. So pretty. This shimmer highlighter is made with tiny spear-shaped particles that capture and reflect a light for out of this world radiance. Girl, that is so true. Cause look at this. So blinding. It's lightweight, silky, smooth, very buildable, and blends like a dream. I do agree with that. It did blend out really, really nicely. Everything we want in a highlighter. It's a paraben-free, gluten-free, and vegan. Vegan. So that is pretty cool. So pretty. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna be using this a lot. So when I finish it, I'm gonna buy the full size product. So I don't know if it's the full size. I have never used or seen a Ciate London highlighter, so I don't know if it's full size, but that's what this is. Okay, the second product, and the next thing is a brush. This is from No Dice Nada. Oh, it's right here. It's a bind. I can't read this shit. It's in cursive. It's by Slim Glam. It's the Rose Gold Blusher Blush, and this is brush number SG62. It is really pretty. It has the little rhinestones right there, and then it's like see-through sparkly handle. It is really, really pretty. It's supposed to be a blush brush, I believe, but I think you can use this for like a highlighter because of the shape of it. It's not just for blush. Okay, good. This brush head shape makes it great for blending out highlighter, bronzer, and contour products too. The synthetic bristles are so soft and light, yet pick up powder pigments with ease. It's not It's got a rose gold glitter handle, and the bristles have a hint of gold too. So it'll look so pretty in the... Do they really have gold in them? Oh, I see them. They have the little sparkles. That is so pretty. Brush with kindness, it's cruelty free. Okay. This is really cute. Pretty excited to use this brush, so yeah. And it is really, really soft, so yeah. Okay. Next thing is the other product that I wasn't supposed to get, but I got. And I am wearing it on my eyes today. This is the Jonte Blue. I think that's how you say it. Ultra lasting formula. Liquid eyeliner. This is a 24-hour professional art makeup liquid eyeliner. And I actually like it. I used it today and it was really easy to apply my eyeliner. It is really black and it did dry down matte, which I really like. I don't like eyeliners that dry down shiny. I hate that shit. So yeah, so I do like it. I can't read to you guys anything about it because like I said, I wasn't supposed to get it, so I don't know what happened there, but I'm actually glad I got this because I love getting eyeliners from IPSY because they're actually full-size eyeliners. So this is what the eyeliner looks like. Set upside down. Sorry. And I do have it on my eyes right now, so yeah. The next thing is actually a product I got double from. Yeah, I got doubles of it. I got twice. I'm not making sense. I'm sorry. Okay. Anyways, this is from Offer Cosmetics, and this is one of their eyeshadows in the shade Blue Jeans, I believe. Yeah, Blue Jeans, and it is a blue eyeshadow. Right there. On camera, it looks lighter than it does in person. In person, it actually looks like navy blue, or like even darker. So this is the eyeshadow. Eyeshadow. I want to drop it. Eyeshadow right here. And it is a really big pan, so I'm pretty sure this is a full-size eyeshadow. Really, really pretty. It is a little bit chalky, like the swatches, but I don't know. But that is a really pretty shade. I got two, so I have the other one right here. So I'll probably be giving that away, or I don't know. But yeah. Okay, so let's read what it says about this. Okay, this pressed powder eyeshadow is made with ultra fine pearls for an eye catching shimmer. It's highly pigmented, very blendable, goes on smooth, and wears for hours without fading. You can wear it wet or dry depending on how bold you want to go. Blue Jeans is a medium toned denim blue shade. I'm a little skeptical about wetting it because it is a matte shade. So I don't know how it's going to turn out, but when I try it out, I will let you guys know. Okay. The next thing. Oh no, wait, I did get this product. Yeah, so they did send me an extra product. Because I'm looking at the oil right here. Thank you, IPSY. That's pretty cool. I got a free product. I wonder why. Okay, so moving on. The next thing is by Quadalio. Something like that. Oh, I don't know how to pronounce it, but this is what it looks like right here. And I think it's an oil. I'm not sure. It doesn't specify like on the bottle. It doesn't smell weird or anything. It looks so watery in the bottle. You guys can see. It's like a little watery. But It is in a glass little bottle. That's a glass. Let me see. What does it say? It's a concentrated brightening essence, the first step to fight against dark spots. This essence if combines efficacy and gentleness to reveal the skin's original radiance. Complexion looks more even and bright. Apply morning and evening before your serum on cleansed skin with a cotton pad or the tips of your fingertips. So it's a skincare product, but I mean, I'm going to try it out to see what it does, but I'm a little bit confused. But anyways, moving on. The last product is a lip gloss. So the last thing is a lip gloss. This is by Glamour Dolls. This is their Sweet Treats lip gloss in peach. This is so cute. Like, it looks like a little popsicle. Right there. And the lip gloss looks really shimmery and it looks really, really pretty. So yeah, I'm gonna smell it because you guys know I like to smell stuff. It has a scent. It smells kind of sweet. It smells really pretty though. Look at the little... You just put it in like this. That is so cool. This just might be the cutest little gloss we've laid our eyes on. It looks just like a delicious popsicle. That is so true. That is so true. The sheer peach shade will make your lips glisten, and unlike actual popsicles, it's not the least bit sticky. Animal lovers rejoice. This adorbs gloss, like all Glamour Dolls products, is cruelty-free and vegan. Nice. I'm actually excited to try this lip gloss. It looks really cute. So yeah, that is it for this video, guys. That is all I got in my IPSY bag this month. I was pretty satisfied. I love how I got an extra product. I mean, who doesn't like free extra products, right? So yeah, that is it. I thought the bag wasn't too cute. It was a basic bag, but it's okay, you know. It's a free bag. So yeah, that's it for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time. And I do have a link down below. If you guys don't have IPSY, you can click on it and like check it out. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, bye guys.